Okay, I'm capping this window here. I installed this Andersen window. I showed earlier how we put the tape on and how we had, how we got it in there and everything else. Now I'm putting this 5/4 around the outside edge. This is 3.5 inches wide, and this is 3.5 inches wide, and this is going to have a gap here. But I'm going to go ahead and put this cap on here, aluminum trim work on this thing. But what I wanted to point out was when I did this corner here, I take and I showed earlier in another video how I take and I plow out the back of this about this far and about 1/8 in, how it makes it lay flatter. I don't want it to lay on top of that flange and turn out. I want it to lay flat. So I did that. Then do the same thing on the bottom. I take a little bit out of this thing, not 1/8, almost 1/8, just so it lays flat. And then I let this piece run past. Do the same thing over there. Let that run past. This is all going to just be a flat cap. I'm going to show step by step here how I'm going to do this. But this is smoothed out now. This is nice and smooth. If I hadn't taken that material out of the back of this, that to allow for the flange, this would have been sticking up and this wouldn't have been wanting to ride right either. But now these are pretty smooth. You can see they're really smooth the way they lay together there. And that's what I wanted. That's what I want to have when I get all said and done here. But that's just how I do it. And it's top the same way. Top's the same deal. That's how we're doing the top up there. So, same thing. Same thing. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit and we'll be putting this sill on. I'll show you how I do the sill. Thanks for your time. Take care.